I'm gonna try a recipe for strawberry cheesecake lava cake. All right, got my strawberry cake mix and my eggs, my oil, all right, and my water. All right, I got my crock pot here and I'm gonna spray it with my cooking spray. Then I got my cheesecake mix. Now I'm gonna take my cheesecake and just pour it straight in the middle of my cake. Yum. Now we're gonna put this in our crock pot and bake it. Strawberry cheesecake lava cake. Man, it smells really good. Okay.
A lava cake? It's a strawberry?
Strawberry cheesecake.
Oh, that'll be interesting.
Ooh, yum. Oh
I've
my.
never had a non-chocolate lava cake before.
All right.
Ooh.
Okay. Here, oops. There for presentation.
So you
How's
gave
that
me
look?
the child-sized serving?
I did. Strawberry cheesecake lava cake. That's a new one. That's long.
Strawberry lava cheesecake, how about that?
Strawberry lava cheesecake, maybe.
But probably strawberry cheesecake lava cake is better SEO. Whoa!
Oh, is it still hot? Don't burn your mouth.
Talk about lava. Okay. Hold on a minute. Let me do another one that's not so hot.
Blow. Did you just burn the taste buds off your mouth?
No. Mmm. Yum.